For most of us throughout our career, we've been told that we must set goals to be successful. And I believe that is true. Yet 95% of us never reach our goals. Has the impulse to dream and set goals been beaten out of us? Are goals meaningless? Is motivation just a myth? I think so in this world, because until one is committed, there's hesitancy, the chance to draw back. There's always ineffectiveness. Perhaps we never learned how to set an effective goal. It's time to make the decision to change your life now. Attend this one-day workshop and seminar, and you'll find your dreams, the commitment to reach for the stars. Learn how to set goals that will change your life. April 10th, 2019. For more information, go to vobinternational.com/make a decision. It's up to you. Remember, you're always in the right place at the right time if you have the right attitude.